Uhe ki Hamas Muhammad sinwa ula kronia katkum ka khubor na kisipai ka Israel. Kisipai ka Israel Defense Forces kira kam kira yu ban peniap yone uhe ka Hamas badai komanda na jing terbom ha hospital ha Gaza kebaru penlongkum ke Jaka dengan. Kira kam ru ba kira yu ban peniap yone uhe ki Hamas mentakasngi ubra kathong la slem ha hal ke jing don keti jing ban plan ban hiat ma ya ki lui ha kanyu tarik urisau aja apulai. Mtang ba kari Israel Benjamin Netanyahu ula pentikna ikani kejingyap uni uhe sipai ki Hamas. Muhammad sinwa udai parajong ya sinwa wadai unang bahe ba ki Hamas.
In Gaza, it's locked, not because we locked it. It's locked. I'm in the foreign ministry right now, so I have to be a diplomat. You explain later, Gidon, why the southern border is locked. We didn't lock it. People want to leave, but they can't. So it's the biggest open air jail in the world. As far as we're concerned, we'll let anybody leave. If you want to leave, leave. But they can't. And within that locked arena, it's a very small place. It's like one of your big towns, big metropolises, okay? Within that, there are war zones, combat zones. And Hamas is trying to lock the Palestinians, civilian population, within the place where we conduct the war. That's what they do. And then, of course, make sure that Gaza doesn't pose a threat to Israel in the future. This is our goal. So far, we've liberated 197 hostages. Of them, 147 are alive, out of a total of 255. There's still 20 live hostages there. That we know for certain, 20 live hostages. This is a battle not merely for the physical survival of the Jewish state, and we will not be destroyed. That I assure you. We have the power and the means to protect ourselves, and we do so. But it's also a battle for the protection of all free societies. Don't succumb to the vilification. Don't succumb to the demonization. Don't succumb to the lies. Don't succumb to this complete inversion of morality. Because once you do, there's no end to it. And once you do, your societies are in great, great danger.